Hello everyone, welcome back on Instagram channel guys. I'm Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. I'm visiting my channel after a very long time. I was on the leave and holidays. So in India we celebrate Diwali, so I was at my home. So today I just opened and I was just reading the comments, thought that I should reply. So there are few comments I really like, people have been appreciated and there are lots of questions and there are lots of things that is pending, so I'm not able to complete. So I am trying my best to get time and then I can just resolve the people issue. So in today video there are few comments that have the question. If you have any question you can let me know in the Discord as well as in the comment section, and if it will be anything that I can share about it, so I will share. I think I should share in the video also so that people can take the benefit. So here is one question. I don't know how to movement samples. So how to get the movement samples. So earlier it was a different package, but for now if you are going here, so here you can see that is a meta movement. In meta movement, if you need, so what happening is in package manager, whatever they have providing the samples for anything, you have to go here, that is the sample section in package manager. So you have to click here and whatever sample you want to get, so you have to grab the sample and that sample will come here. There is will be one folder that is the sample, and all folder, all the thing, all the samples you will get here. So hope this will help you. And there is another question that I really like in our podcast, and I'm thinking to do podcast weekly. So if you have experienced developer more than 3 years, so you can just message me on Discord or just comment me or reach out to me on my social media so that we can learn, and upcoming generation, upcoming developers can learn from you. So here there is one question on my podcast, that is as a fresher, how we how can we target a remote job as a Unity developer, US or Europe based companies? I mean, where to apply, where to find work opportunity. So it is really a very good question. There are lots of things that I have to tell you. First thing, that there are so many countries that does not allow remote job from other country, like in the US or I think in the UK. So getting remote job, that will be not very easy, but there are lots of country they allow, and they can hire you as a fresher. They can pay you by using the any application. There are lots of application like PayPal or any other, and uh, there are also lots of website, so most of people aware about is like they can work from their website. But for the fresher it will be not very easy job. Like there are lots of website, but people prefer price as well as they see the what have you made, and how many experience do you have. So on the basis of that, on those website people choose, and it also matter that how many work they have done. On the basis of that their profile show. So if you are a fresher, so what will you my advice to get the remote work? So basically today is YouTube as well as LinkedIn, or there are social medias like you have LinkedIn, uh, you have Facebook. So as a fresher, in terms of remote job as well as job, how you can get the job, basically in game development there are lots of things. Like in other programming language there is only programming language, but in the Unity game development, in Unreal, there are lots of things that you have to learn. So nowadays fresher job means if you don't know anything, you just know programming language, so it will be not very easy for you. So what you have to do as a fresher, you have to create many application, many games for learning purpose, to for your portfolio. And then whatever you are creating, you have to just share the small videos on LinkedIn. You have to use better tags, and when people will see, and if someone will think that they need this thing, so they will contact you and you will get the your job from other country, from same country, from means it is open for all the world. So you can get work from anywhere. So this is the uh, best way for a fresher, and currently this thing is coming in my mind. And there are also lots of website you can use them, but if you have created so many stuff, so many projects, so the chances will be very high. So this is my reply. And if someone have any experience regarding this, so you can do the comment so that other fresher or other people can get benefit from you. So that's it, and let's see if there is any another uh, question. So for now I'm not getting very much. We will talk about in the future, like I will do one videos on comments if there will be any good question. And if you want to support my work, so you can just check me out on my Patreon page. You can buy samples, there are lots of sample I have done. And most of sample will be updated in Unity 6 soon, so I'm just starting working on that. So thanks for watching, have a good day, see you in next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. You can also drop your questions. So bye bye, take care.